Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record sounds on DOOGEE V40 Pro. Let's go! Okay guys, so all you need to do is you need to look for an app called Sound Recorder, which is this one. It's this green app, as you can see. Then all you need to do is press this circle, talk something, I don't know, hello, bye bye. Then you click this square button, and as you can see, save successful. We can name it right now. Tutorial, and let's click OK. And now it is saved. As you can see, we have it here. Hello, bye bye. The circle. Talk something, I don't know, hello, bye bye. As you can see, it works. Thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.